Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, welcome back to the another video. As from the title of this video, you should be very careful during stepping out from your car under transmission line. I am going to make this video because I personally feel it, so I want to acknowledge you about this carelessness through my this YouTube channel. If your vehicle is closer than 15 meter is 49 feet to overhead power lines, then your vehicle will be in contact with the electrical power lines, and during this time you should not get out from your car, and also never call the outsider to rescue you. But if you want to leave your car because of some problems, for example, your car catches on fire and you want to exit it, then you must jump as far as possible. The distance of your jump should be at least 45 to 60 centimeter, which is 1.5 to 2 feet probably. But during this, you should never touch the vehicle and the ground at the same time. Keep your feet, legs, and arm close to your body. Keep your feet together and move away by shuffling your feet. Never let your feet separate, otherwise, you may be shocked or electrocuted. You should shuffle at least 10 meters away from your vehicle before you take a normal step. Don't enter an electrical power substation or other marked area. Hope you understand. Being an electrical engineer, I want to acknowledge you about this hazardness. For such more videos, please subscribe my this YouTube channel. See you soon in another video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.